Hey everybody! One of the highlights of our Oahu trip was the Hawaii glass bottom boats. Check out our experience. Enjoy! Checked in over there. There's a sign, and here's the boat. You get a hand stamp before you get on the boat.
Adventure. What we're gonna do for the next hour is we're gonna be taking you guys outside of Oahu Basin Harbor. We're gonna be heading left towards the beautiful Leahi, or better known as Diamond Head. On the way there, we're gonna stay in some shallow waters, about 20 to 25 feet right outside the surf. So you guys will be able to have a chance. Is you guys seasick or something? Oh, wow, we're gonna see everything. This is a popular surf spot called Kewalos, of course. And during the summertime, this is where one of the waves that gets the biggest out here on the south. I did a million hotel that stands out from the rest over there on the shoreline. That is our Royal Hawaiian Hotel, and the Royal Hawaiian is actually one of the oldest hotels in Waikiki. It opened up in 1927, but it's not the oldest hotel in Waikiki. The oldest hotel.
Look, Kevin, they're coming closer. They're coming closer.
They're following the breadcrumb trail. These ones, and I knew it, they're pretty smart. They know a good distance from the boat before my net goes in and catches one.
Everyone else is still sleeping.
Oh, you see him? There. Isn't that cool, Evan?